Hello everybody, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to be making this beautiful grinding square. So to make this grinding square, we'll need yarn, a 4mm hook size, that's what I'll be using, and scissors. Let's get started. Firstly, we are going to tie a knot. So go ahead and tie a knot. Make a knot like I am doing. Afterwards, chain 5. Make 5 chains, right, like I have done, and make a slip stitch into the first chain we made after we made the slip knots, right. Up next, we are going to chain 6. That 6 is going to serve as a 3 of it is going to serve as first one double crochet, and 3 of it will just be turning chains. Okay, now go ahead and make a double crochet into the circle, the tiny circle. Make 3 double crochets. Okay, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through all. Afterwards, we are going to chain 3, and make 3 double crochets again. So that's what we are going to be doing for the first row. So row 1 is going to be 3 double crochets, chain 3, and you repeat it again. We are going to be doing that 2 more times. Okay, so you realize that it helps us to get the 4-sided edge, which makes up the square. Okay, so continue making 3 double crochets, chain 3, and make 2 double crochets. So remember that at the beginning of the video I said the 6 chains would 3 of it would constitute 1 double crochet, and then 3 would be the turning, right? So at this stage we don't need to make 3 double crochets. We just need to slip stitch into the third chain from the 6 chains we made, and there we have it. We are done with our first row, looking all nice. We're just going to cut the yarn off and just fasten the yarn tighter on our work, and we are all set to move to row 2. So we are done with row 1, and this is how it's looking, right? Up next at row 2, we are going to be changing the colors. Okay, so we'll use a different color of yarn. Firstly, make a knot. Okay, tie a knot like we did in the beginning of the video, and attach your yarn to the side. Use slip stitch to attach your yarn to the corner of your preference. Okay, so we are going to be making a slip stitch into the side we want to attach our yarn, right? Make a slip stitch and chain 6 like we did at the beginning. So chain 6 to begin the second row, and make 3 double crochets into the same space. chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the same space. Now at row 2 we are just going to be making clusters. Okay, so make 3 double crochets into that same space, chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the same space to make a cluster. So that is how we make a cluster. All right, so continue making that, and I'll see you when we are done with row 2. All right, so make a slip stitch into the third stitch, like we've done beautifully. We are done with row 2. Row 3 follows the same format. That's what we are going to be doing, right? So to begin row 3, slip stitch, make slip stitch into the same space, chain 6 and make 3 double crochets into the same space, into the same space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, make 3 double crochets into that space. So we are just going to be making clusters at the 4 corners of the square. Okay, then chain 1, and make a cluster at the next side. So this is how you make the cluster. You chain 1, you make 3 double crochets into the same space, you chain 3 and you make 3 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and continue. So that's basically how we are going to be making row 3. So row 3 is all done and looking beautiful. We are going to cut off our yarn, fasten our yarn on our project well, and continue with row 4. So our row 4, but before that, let's check our progress. Okay, so we are doing great. We are at row 4. So like the way we've been making the color changes from the beginning, we are going to do that and make slip stitch onto the side we want to attach our yarn. Make a slip stitch, make 6 chains as we have been doing to begin every row, and make 3 double crochets into and make 3 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the next space. So that's basically how we are going to be making row 4. We'll be chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next space. We are going to continue doing that until we get to the place where we make the clusters. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the same space to form the cluster. So we are going to keep on doing that, and I'll see you when I'm all done with that. All right, so we are done with row 3, row 4, and comparing it to granny square, we are right on track. We are almost done, so we are moving on to our 5th row, which we are going to be changing the color and fasten the yarn onto the corner of our choice, and we are just going to continue repeat what we have been doing in this video. So chain 6, make 3 double crochets into the first, to the same space, and chain 1, make 3 double crochets onto the next space, and when we get to the cluster, the place where we make clusters, we are going to chain, we are going to make 3 double crochets, chain 3, and make 3 double crochets into the same space. All right, so we are all done. Just cut our yarn off and fasten it well on our project, and we are all done. All we have to do is to cut off and make the wrong side of our granny square look neat. And yes, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please do well to subscribe. Bye.